Good morning and welcome to your Wallops weather briefing. Well, we've had quite a few showers yesterday afternoon into the evening hours. Report here at Wallops of 1.82 inches of rain. Other areas around the region picking up around 2 inches. So a pretty good rainfall throughout for most of the Delmarva yesterday afternoon and into the evening hours. We'll see much more quiet weather work its way into the forecast here for the next several days. A slight chance that we could see some precipitation in the form of a pop-up shower or two in the afternoons of the next couple of days, but overall a pretty dry period will be setting up for us over the next several days. Looking at our information from this morning's balloon release, winds generally out of a northerly direction at the low levels of the atmosphere, quickly becoming westerly as we get up to around 10,000 feet and taking on a southwesterly component up at the 25,000 foot level, where we see those winds increasing up to around 65 knots. Current surface analysis showing that frontal boundary that slowly moved through the area has made its way off the coast this morning. We're seeing pretty nice conditions here at Wallops this morning with lower humidity values as temperatures dropped into the upper 60s overnight last night. So very comfortable conditions out there this morning, and we'll see comfortable conditions throughout the day as those high temperatures only expected in the low 80s as we go throughout the day today. Looking at our visible satellite, you can see most of that cloudiness off the coast. A little bit of cloudiness still left over in the extreme portions of the mid-Atlantic coastline, eastern portions of the mid-Atlantic coast. You can see some of the clouds still hanging on. We'll see more sunshine later this afternoon, and again, just a slight chance of a pop-up shower. We'll get to that in just a few minutes as we get into our forecast models. But first, I want to take a look at our radar. Currently, everything off the coast with those showers and dry weather inland as you work your way throughout the state of Virginia. Really not seeing any kind of shower activity this morning, and we are expecting that to hold true throughout most of the day. Now, looking at the forecast model here and what we can expect, we will see the slight chance of a pop-up shower or two later this afternoon into the evening. Here we go at 6 o'clock this evening. You can see some very widely scattered showers showing up here on the model. It does look like if we get any shower activity today, it will be off to the north and west, so a very slight chance of one occurring here at Wallops, and those chances should decrease and completely dissipate by around 8 o'clock this evening as we go into the overnight hours, just expecting partly cloudy skies. Now, as we go throughout the day on Thursday, we're going to see much of the same type setup. Mostly sunny skies to start the day, partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies during the afternoon, and likely seeing just a very slight chance of an isolated shower or two. Models showing a little bit of convective activity potentially south of the region during the afternoon tomorrow, but again, just very widely scattered showers, so it will be a pretty low chance of one of those occurring here at Wallops. I want to switch over here to our longer range model and what we can expect going into the weekend. And we are going to see high pressure really building into the forecast and into the region for the weekend, with dry weather expected to continue. You can see here on Saturday just a little bit of convective activity in the far northern portions of the Delmarva. I'm expecting mostly sunny and dry conditions here at Wallops. Sunday, looking at maybe a better chance of a pop-up shower or thunderstorm to occur. Some of our models are showing the potential of that during the afternoon on Sunday, but only looking at about a 10% chance any day here over the next several days. We're going to see very low chances and not really a significant chance for precipitation to occur. Looking ahead to our next 24 hours, we're going to see dry weather for the most part today, with just that slight chance of an isolated shower or two during the afternoon and evening hours, likely occurring after 4 o'clock today, with any kind of chances for precipitation. About a 20% chance of a shower, 10% chance of a thunderstorm between the hours of 4 o'clock and 8 o'clock this evening. And then as we go into the overnight hours, expecting another pleasant evening for us with partly cloudy skies and a low temperature of 67 degrees. Looking at the next 7 days, looking at very comfortable conditions here compared to what we had seen over the last several days. over the weekend last week and the end of last week with those temperatures in the upper 90s. Not going to see anything like that here in the next 7 days. We'll start out the week with temperatures in the low to mid 80s. In the week with those temperatures creeping up into the upper 80s. We'll also see our humidity increasing by that point, but still nothing out of the ordinary for July here at Wallops. And again, looking at a fairly dry period setting up for us for the next 7 days. Your best shots will be the next couple of days here in the afternoon. About a 20% chance of an isolated shower today, 15% chance for one tomorrow, and then as we go into the weekend, about a 10% chance for Sunday. And so overall, a pretty quiet forecast for the next 7 days, and we'll continue to update your forecast tomorrow as we'll be back again at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. for your Wallops weather briefings. Have a nice day.